The sixth sum is to calculate capital gearing ratio. So the formula for capital gearing ratio is funds bearing fixed interest divided by equity shareholder funds. So first step, we must find out the funds bearing fixed interest from the problem. Since it's a balance sheet problem, it's quite easy to find out. The simple trick is you'll have a percentage over there. So if you look into the sum, funds bearing fixed interest is a 5% preference capital and the 6% debenture which is given over there. So funds bearing fixed interest are the preference capital and the debenture. So when I add it up, I'll get a total of 4 lakhs. Next, when we go into equity shareholders, this is more or less like the same as your previous sum, where we have a proprietary ratio where we found out shareholder funds. There we will include the preference share, but here neglecting the preference share because it has gone inside the funds bearing fixed interest, we are going to take the rest, that is equity share capital, preference share capital, equity share capital, reserves and surplus. Under reserves and surplus you have two divisions, that is general reserve and surplus. So all these three items we are going to take it up. So equity share capital, shareholder funds are equity share capital plus reserves plus surplus, that is 4 lakh plus 2 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 50, which gives me a total of 8 lakhs. So next we must calculate the capital gearing ratio. So funds bearing fixed interest is 4 lakhs divided by the equity shareholder funds of 8 lakhs. So when you take away the zeros, it's going to be 4 by 8, which is nothing but half. So when it is half, it is 0.5 is to 1. So this is your capital gearing ratio.